Even with that special session announcement from the Governor Kotek, TriMet says it will still have to make significant cuts to service.
Fox 12's Anna Katayama joins us now to explain why. Anna?
Yes, these are cuts that are going to be felt. Essentially, what TriMet is saying is that it was already planning on service cuts, and the failure to pass a transportation bill last month did not help their efforts as they're trying to climb out of this budget hole. So let's take a look at the numbers. TriMet is currently facing a budget gap of $300 million. In order to make up for that, they say they will make $159 million in cuts to services. There will also be $93 million in cuts to spending not related to services. And that still leaves a $48 million hole left to fill, which TriMet hopes will be solved by a transportation bill in the upcoming special session. Plus, they plan a future fare increase. If the legislature cannot deliver that money, then TriMet will need to make even more service cuts in the future. Now, today we had a chance to ask TriMet's general manager about the service and spending cuts. TriMet says that since the COVID-19 pandemic, it's lost between 55 and 60 million per year, and that's added up to the $300 million gap they're seeing right now.
While the state's failed transportation package would have helped us buy us time to prevent deeper cuts, it would not have eliminated all of TriMet's financial challenges. We've had a 53% in inflation across, and our vehicle costs, our total operating costs have increased, and it's moved on through COVID until today. So you've got tariffs now that's on top, you've got construction costs, you've got healthcare costs, you've got all the cost increases that get us to the deficit that we have today.
The transit agency says it is facing a fiscal cliff in 2030, and so it needs to take action now to balance its budget for the long term. TriMet will start the cuts at the end of November by reducing the frequency of some bus lines. Then on March 1st of next year, it could potentially eliminate some low ridership lines. It will trim evening service on others and reduce the Max Green Line route. TriMet says it's going to be meeting with riders in the fall to discuss all these possible cuts, and even more cuts will come next year. Now, TriMet plans to cut more than 140 jobs when the service changes happen, and they do plan on ordering a hiring freeze for non-critical positions. In studio, Anna Katayama, Fox 12 Oregon.